Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study history effectively. First, let's outline a robust approach to mastering this subject. Understanding the syllabus and exam pattern is your initial step, providing a clear roadmap. Next, establish a consistent study timetable, dedicating specific slots for history. Remember, the goal is deep understanding, not just memorizing facts. This foundational strategy will set you up for success throughout your academic journey. Now, let's dive into smart study techniques. Visual aids like timelines and flowcharts are incredibly helpful for grasping the sequence of events. As you read, create concise notes, focusing on essential dates, significant names, and the underlying causes of historical developments. Regularly practicing answers to past examination questions will significantly improve your writing skills and time management, preparing you well for assessments. To truly excel, you need to analyze historical concepts deeply. Always strive to connect events with their causes, effects, and wider implications. Exploring various perspectives on historical occurrences will enrich your understanding and critical thinking. Engaging in discussions with your classmates or teachers can also clarify complex topics and reinforce your learning, making the subject more engaging and memorable for everyone involved. Finally, let's talk about acing your history examinations. Systematic revision of all chapters is crucial in the weeks leading up to your tests. Practice attempting mock tests under strict timed conditions to enhance your speed and accuracy. Critically, identify any weak areas in your knowledge and dedicate extra study time to strengthen them. This comprehensive approach ensures you are fully prepared and confident on exam day.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.